have to go get them. People then can't eat with them and.
Yeah, I have a couple more things more to pick up on the road too.
Alright, so what am I do outside now?
Them a prep?
Alright, you get everything? You get the fish?
Yeah, I get extra everything. Because you know some people always come late, so you know if I prepare.
Alright, so you talk to the biker them?
Yeah, I start out that too. I get 3 biker.
Okay, good, cause I have some t-shirts for them I want them wear and I want them left out like 11 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Yeah, it can be done. As a matter of fact, I say 10:30.
The reason why I say 11 because on a far them ago and it's to a bike them a ride and not a car, them can just cut through traffic.
Hey, yeah, I think you know, because me that prefer get a car to deal with the delivery them, but the bike make more sense.
Your fault if you ever stuck in that traffic. It's best we use the bike. So if we use the car, the people in food are gonna get cold. And we never ever keep a cookout again.
And the way the other them are running is a good look, so it can't flop.
Babe, I'm surprised in the short space of time, enough order we get. We can do this every 3 months. Proud of you.
I'm proud of us.
What am I do here?
Oh,
You know the man who come at the shop, the health inspector.
him?
Yeah.
Where am I do ya? This thing alone, man. All him there.
Look like him here about the cookout.
But where am I do ya? Come to check. Everything's straight, right? Everything's straight, Tony.
Yeah, everything's supposed to straight. Come.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Mr. and Mrs. Shopkeeper, good night.
Good night, sir.
Night, bossy. Everything good, right?
I don't know. You tell me.
Yeah, everything good so far, but right now, we close down the shop, so the business kind of slow down right now, but it's not like it out back and shop. Ready again.
I sincerely hope it's not for health reasons.
Mr. Man, we're going to close it down because, my girlfriend and I, very busy, so it's just time, but we're going to stack it up back, man. It's clean.
I can imagine that your girlfriend must be really busy.
Yes, sir, I am. Because I have dance classes.
Great. So tell me, what is this I hear about a cookout and an after party?
Oh, that? No, sir. I don't know how big that. I just a little small thing, because, through like the shop, the people, them, hungry and them thing there. So we say, we're going to support them with some food and them thing there, And it's not an everyday thing, so we just try to ensure the community alright in general.
Very commendable thought process. I just hope that all of the necessary food handlers permits and entertainment permits and sanitary conveniences are in place.
Yeah, man. All them something there. We have all them something there, man. Right, there. We have them thing there, right?
Yes,
Everything.
Yes, sir. We have everything.
Yes, General. Don't worry yourself, man. We have everything. You go for them?
No. It's quite okay. You look like an honorable young man. So, let me go back to my car for my thermometer.
Thermometer? For what?